In today's episode of Homestead How, Jen and I are going to show you how we deal with ice dams on our homestead. Last year we had horrible ice dams, water backed up into our office and leaked everywhere. The proper way to fix this would be to have the correct amount of insulation in the roof, but short of that, sort of after the fact, here's what we're doing to fix the ice dams on our homestead. The first step to dealing with ice dams is to get all of that snow off the roof because it's going to melt and create a bunch of water. It's going to back up behind the ice dams and go under your shingles. Lucky for us, our roof isn't too steep and I'm not scared of breaking my legs, so I went up there with a shovel. Otherwise you could get a roof rake to do this more safely. You want to get all of that heavy wet snow off before you deal with the ice dams here in the gutter. And once you have all that snow off, the next step is to get some ice melt salt and get some ladies' stockings, extra large preferably, and fill those bad boys up with your ice melt. Make almost like a snake with them. The very last step is to take these snakes full of ice melt up onto the roof where the ice dams are located and lay them across. The goal is to create sort of a trough where the water can escape. Without that trough, the water's just going to back up behind the ice dam and go underneath your shingles and into your house. Now, if you're not scared of breaking your legs and going up on the roof in the dark like a complete moron, you can do it like this, but it's probably better to wait until the morning to put these up. Now you just got to give it a little time for the ice melt to do its job. Enjoy your life in the freezing cold Wisconsin winter. Maybe gather some firewood. Maybe plow your driveway for the 400th time. Maybe make another fire and sit in front of it for a couple of hours wondering why you don't live in a warmer climate. So it's nearly 4 days later since we put the socks up there with the salt in them. So I'm going to grab the ladder, I'm going to go up there and take a look and see if it worked or didn't work. And if we need to add some more. Wow, this is looking good. I shoveled this the other day, but it was all icy, but it's all melted now where I shoveled it, so that's awesome. I think right here is going to be the issue. Yeah, look at this one. This one worked great. Still got a lot of salt in there, so I want to move this one back. That's pretty cool. It's working well. Just shoveling it really helped. It's still been freezing out, but I haven't had any water in there, and last year we had a ton of water coming back. I'm gonna do a couple more of these. Jen and I have some made, and I'm gonna put some along here next. So a few more days have passed now and all of the water is dripping down over the gutters through the little channels that we've created, and it seems to be working well. We've had no leaks yet and almost all of the snow and ice is gone. Thanks a lot for watching. Please stay tuned till the end and we'll show some of our favorite homestead photographs of the week.